Good morning, guys. This is Edward with Deep Clean Pro Wash. We're working on the final steps of the flatbed setup. Haven't been posting much lately. Been plumbing everything here. Pretty straightforward. Bolting down equipment, plumbing. All the heavy stuff is already on the truck. The last but not least is the chem tank. We'll be using this for now, but we will be upgrading to a bigger tank to carry more chem for bigger projects. So for now, this is gonna do it. We haven't bolted down this fuel tank. Pretty much that's left over fuel tank and SH. This is what we got so far. We had to do a extend our T there. We ran it out, elbowed, banjo fittings, easy to take off. And we placed the soft wash a little bit closer, so we had to extend this up a little bit so it's not in the way, so everything is accessible, perfect, on the way I want it. Keeping the same rails that I have from the trailer. For now, we'll be upgrading later, hopefully to some electric Hanny Titan hose reels, stainless steel. But for now, for the rest of the season, we'll just work with what we got. That'll be a next video, installing the electric hose reels. That'll be fun. So I mean, start with what you can, and you upgrade as you go. Yeah, this is just temporary. Just kind of placed it up there. It goes flip all the way around. Truck came with these, so I love this here. Eventually I'll probably have something fabricated for this here, special spot, but for now that's gonna work. So we got so far. It's taken us, this is my 4th day working on it, including the bed liner day. That's 1 day, so not bad for 4 days. But if it wasn't for this here, this would have been a very difficult task. Other than that, we're just kind of laid this trailer gate here, just pushed it up. This wasn't heavy at all. We're gonna put it right behind that water tank and bolt it down, and we should be good to go. I'm not gonna make this video too long, so just kind of wanted to update you guys how everything was going. But appreciate you watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. Once we get this up and running, I'll be posting up some videos, me working with the new rig. Hopefully the rest is fun.